welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Before I get started, a quick reminder for you guys to go check out our Zoom Facebook page which has all the updates of your favorite Bollywood celebrities round the clock. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the top stories of the day, starting with the headlines coming your way. Kareena and Taimur spotted walking hand in hand. Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Alia Bhatt receive legal notice from Gangubai's family. Anil Kapoor celebrates his birthday with Varun Dhawan and Kiara Advani. Neha Kakkar shares behind-the-scenes moments with her fake baby bump. Zareen Khan shares why Christmas is her most favorite festival.
Kareena ma'am.
तैमूर अली खान हो रहे हैं तंग constant paparazzi attention से. The young Taimur, who is constantly chased by photographers, was seen telling photographers that they were not allowed to take his picture as he took a walk around his building with mom Kareena Kapoor Khan. There is no doubt that Taimur Ali Khan is an adorable child. But Kareena and Saif's young son seems to be telling photographers and others who love clicking his picture that they aren't allowed to do so. Kareena and Saif too have expressed their concern from time to time about the media's obsession with their son. But with another baby on the way, it looks like the paparazzi aren't going to be giving the family a break anytime soon. Kareena is spending time with Taimur at home as she slowly wraps up her work commitments before the arrival of baby number 2.
Kareena ji, ma'am, thoda aa gaya ye.
The actor was spotted taking a walk around her building with Taimur, and the two were clicked by paparazzi as they walked hand in hand and twinning in blue. Bebo seems to have stepped out in the evening for some outdoor time with her son. But as soon as the press came to know कि तैमूर घर से निकले हैं, there were photographers outside Bebo and Saif's apartment building. Taimur and his mom were both dressed in comfy-looking clothes, with Kareena wearing her trademark kaftan with grey pants and Taimur looking cute in a dark blue t-shirt and light blue pants. Kareena opted for comfortable flats as well, and the two were spotted as they walked back into their building. While Kareena didn't stop to pose, Taimur seemed a bit agitated, who were calling out the two of them for a picture. The little Nawab was heard telling the photographers that they were not allowed to click his picture. Kareena then held his hand and took him back into their apartment building. लगता है the young celebrity is becoming more aware of the media attention, or rather obsession with him, and whether this will continue with Kareena and Saif's second child as well remains to be seen.
Kareena ma'am. Kareena ma'am.
आलिया भट्ट स्टारर गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी फिर फंस गई है मुश्किल में. As per some reports, the original Gangubai's family have filed a case against director Sanjay Leela Bhansali and actor Alia Bhatt and have raised objections to the film's storyline. Alia Bhatt was all set to be seen in a completely new avatar in the film Gangubai Kathiawadi, which is based on a chapter from Hussain Zaidi's book Mafia Queens of Mumbai. Now, this film was supposed to release in September this year, but with the pandemic and the lockdown, the film's shooting had to be halted. But as soon as restrictions lifted, Mr. Bhansali made sure that they resumed the film's shoot, and the team shot non-stop through October and November. Now, but just when the makers thought that their troubles were over, a few issues seems to have cropped up. Alia Bhatt, who is working with Mr. Bhansali's for the first time, has spoken about how grateful she is to be able to work, though with multiple additional precautions. But the actor, who is excited to be in a never-before-seen avatar, now faces some legal trouble. सुनने में आया है कि गंगूबाई, जिनकी जिंदगी पे ये फिल्म आधारित है, उनकी फैमिली ने मिस्टर भंसाली और आलिया के खिलाफ केस फाइल किया है. This case is with regards to issues they have about the film's storyline. There are reports that a case may have also been filed by the family against Hussain Zaido, जिनकी बुक माफिया क्वींस ऑफ मुंबई की एक कहानी पे ये फिल्म बेस्ड है. According to sources, Mr. Bhansali, Alia and Mr. Zaidi have been given time till January 7th to give their response to the case. This is not the first time that a period film made by Mr. Bhansali has found itself in trouble. The filmmakers faced serious threats to his life and was even assaulted before the release of his film Padmavat. A community in Rajasthan has taken objection to the depiction of Rani Padmini played by Deepika in the film, and makers had to digitally cover Deepika's waistline and change the name of the film to appease certain political groups.
I think her soul is somewhere here. I feel it. I said it before as well. I feel there's some energy that's beyond all of us, that's really, in spite of all the odds and all the challenges that we have faced in the last 6 months, 8 months, we're doing nothing, I promise you. Everything is just falling into place. Our heart is in the right place, our creative energies are in the right place, and everything that we're doing today is just happening organically and is just happening on its own. And I feel like I just feel like I'm living her, you know. I feel like she's around blessing this film, and it's going to be very, very special.
Gangubai Kathiawadi, which tells the story of a woman who suffered great hardships after being abandoned by her husband, is supposed to be a tale of a woman's grit and courage. With the film's release already delayed, one can only hope that this courtroom battle does not cause further problems for the film and its makers. Actor Zareen Khan spoke to Sandesh Aghate and shared her childhood memories of celebrating Christmas with her friends and neighbors. The actor spoke about Christmas being her favorite festival and even revealed कि एक बार स्कूल में वो खुद Santa Claus भी बनी थी. Zareen, who made her debut opposite Salman Khan, also spoke about how many projects she was supposed to work on were halted because of the pandemic and lockdown. लेकिन उन्हें उम्मीद है that with things opening up, she will also be able to be back on set soon. Take a look.
Hello everyone, wishing all of you a Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year. And a prosperous one too.
आज हमारे साथ हैं ज़रीन खान. ज़रीन, वेलकम टू जूम. ग्रेट टू हैव यू. आज हम फेमिना फ्लॉन्ट के सैलून में हैं.
जी.
तो क्या आप बताएंगे, इट्स अ न्यू स्टोर लॉन्च, सो ज़रीन इज हियर टू लॉन्च द स्टोर. कैन यू टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योर एसोसिएशन विद द
I think every woman, associates with Femina. It is a 60-year-old brand, and we've all grown up, with Femina. So it feels great to be here at the launch of Femina Flaunt Studio Salon, and I'm very happy that the legacy is, now being extended into a beauty retail space.
अगर ये साल की बात करें ज़रीन, तो this year has been very tough, very difficult for all of us. तो personally, how was your, आपने कैसा spend किया है?
Oh God.
Time. How was the lockdown for you? How difficult was it for you? Can you tell us?
It was very difficult, like it was for everybody else. you know, nobody would have imagined a time like this. For people like us, you know, who are always out their work, for their work and everything, you know, our things are outdoors. So now being indoors was very difficult. Then it started feeling nice because, you know, it was like connecting with your family all over again and doing those things. But then that also went on forever, and I'm like, okay, now I'm done with all of that. I need to get back to normalcy. You know, I need to travel. I need to work.
Yeah.
So yeah, and it's been a tough year, but I'm hoping that like we've still managed to reach December, and I'm hoping 2021 should be good.
Right. And did you miss being on sets? Like,
I missed it a lot because honestly, I was so happy when 2020 started, you know, because I had a good lineup of projects and stuff happening. It was supposed to be my debut on the web as well, but nothing happened. And even now, like, you know, shoots are so uncertain. Yes, a lot of people are shooting, but it's still uncertain. Like, I had a music video that I was supposed to shoot in the very week that lockdown was announced, and फिर वो हमने I think September में shoot करने का सोच रहे थे when things opened up a little, but just 2 days before the shoot date, the director got. So it's like everything goes for a toss, you know. Just made everything, I would say, again uncertain.
this year has been tough for all of us, but now the month of December is here, Christmas is here. तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, like, is it like, will Christmas make it better? Will Christmas make 2020 better? It's a happy time, you know. Everyone
I really hope so.
feels very cheerful. तो आप कुछ बताएंगे Christmas के बारे में?
You know, Christmas is my favorite festival, you know, since I was a child. The whole first of all, it comes in winter, so as it is, it's a good space. Like, you know, it's winters, everybody's feeling good already, and I don't know, there's something about Christmas that just makes everybody feel so, you know, joyous, and it starts from the 1st of December itself. Like, nobody waits till the 25th. December comes and people are already in the festive mood and, you know, are happy, and I really hope that you know, Christmas blesses all of us.
How have you always celebrated the festival? आपने like आप कुछ special करती हैं आप आपके family के साथ, या how do you?
You know, when I was growing up, I lived in a Christian neighborhood.
Okay.
So it was just beautiful. All these, my neighbors used to make these beautiful cribs outside their house. You know those Christmas cribs you make? My very earlier tuition teacher that time, you know, when I was in the first or when I was in the second or third, was a Catholic. So during Christmas, her mom used to make these, you know, those sweets they make. So I used to sit there with auntie and, you know, see how it's made, try to help her make it. It was I don't know, I'm very, maybe because, you know, I've always lived around Christians so much, so I connect to the festival a lot. I just feel very happy. And then in the 10th standard, thanks to my size that time, I even got the opportunity to become Santa Claus in school. So Christmas is special for me.
Do you bake cakes because it's Christmas?
No, I eat cakes. I don't bake cakes. And I love plum cakes, which you get mostly around Christmas. You know?
Right.
So yeah, I love everything about Christmas. There's not one thing that I can choose. Like I put up a Christmas tree in my house, and you know, the whole thing around it, Santa Claus and all those beautiful stories of Jesus being born, and, you know, those cribs you see outside people's house, the lights, everything is beautiful about Christmas.
Right. Also, looking back at the year, इस साल आप क्या wish करना चाहेंगे Christmas पे? Like, for the film industry, for everyone, what is that one thing that you wish?
I would really hope negativity to kind of go away from us, because somehow this year has got a lot of negativity along with it. You know, this year has managed to corrupt people's minds a lot, and there has somehow been a lot of hatred. I just want to wipe all of that, and I just wish that people start using their minds much more than just believing what is shown to them or what is just said and fed into them.
It's yum.
Right?
What?
Come, video come.
Sorry.
Here you go.
अनिल कपूर जुग जुग जिए, यही है सबकी दुआ. The eternally reverse aging Anil Saab turned 64 this year, and his friends, family and fans are super excited about him, only getting fitter and more fabulous with each passing year. Anil Kapoor started his career in Bollywood in the 80s, and over 3 decades of being in the business, the actor has constantly reinvented himself, taking on increasingly different and challenging roles. A complete family man who dotes on his 3 kids and is still madly in love with his soulmate Sunita ji. Anil Kapoor has created not just a glorious career but also a beautiful family. Even on his birthday, he is busy shooting for his next film and has a movie releasing on an OTT platform. He is truly a role model. Here's wishing Kapoor Saab a very, very happy birthday. Anil Kapoor grew 1 year younger today, and the star who has transitioned from being mainstream film hero to powerhouse character actor, working in films across genres and proving time and again that talent and passion can take you very far. The actor is now in his 60s but is showing no signs of slowing down. In fact, this year during the lockdown, he built an enviable physique and shared jaw-dropping pictures of his physical transformation. Anil ji is currently busy working on his next film Jug Jug Jio with Kiara Advani and Varun Dhawan, and celebrated his birthday with his cast members and wife Sunita Kapoor, who seems to have joined her hubby for his birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, I'll say. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Kiara shared a video on her social media stories of the special decorations and celebrations organized by the team of Jug Jug Jio, who had also organized a cake for the actor. Anil ji is clearly enjoying all the love and pampering and is seen smiling away as he cuts his cake and feeds dearest wife Sunita Kapoor. केक के साथ अनिल जी के लिए ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए थे बलून्स और दूसरे पार्टी डेकोरेशंस, which definitely made his birthday all the more special.
Happy birthday, I'll say. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Anil's daughters Sonam and Riya Kapoor also shared heartfelt wishes for their dearest papa, expressing the deep love and admiration they have for him. Sonam, who has been in London from July, shared a picture of herself with Anil ji and wrote in the caption, "Happy, happy birthday, Daddy. You're the most positive, kind, liberal human being, and we are blessed to have your values instilled in us. I miss you so much and I can't wait to see you in the new year." वहीं छोटी बेटी रिया ने अपने अंदाज में अपने डैड को विश करते हुए लिखा, "Happy birthday to my soul twin, mentor, friend, dad, competitor, can't live without you. #legends only." सिर्फ फैमिली ही नहीं, अनिल जी को अपने सबसे अच्छे दोस्त अनुपम खेर से भी बधाइयां मिली, एंड द एक्टर हु इज आल्सो अनिल कपूर्स नेबर took to social media to share a very special birthday wish for a very special friend. प्यारे दोस्त अनिल कपूर, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं। प्रभु आपको लंबी और स्वास्थ्यपूर्ण आयु प्रदान करे। बड़ी मेहनत से और मुश्किल से आपके जैसा प्रेरणात्मक दोस्त मिलता है। प्रभु से प्रार्थना है तुम हमेशा खुश रहो और मुझे भी खुश रखो। मैंने सूट पहनना आपसे सीखा है सर। Wishes also poured from industry colleagues and friends who shared wishes for the actor on social media. Here's wishing Anil Kapoor a very happy, healthy and joyful birthday. वो इसी तरह खुश रहे और बहुत बहुत कामयाब भी।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, I'll say. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
कबरी पे नेहा दीदी ने खाया पानी पूरी. I'm very happy for you, Rohan bhai.
Kick मारा.
Oh my God.
After their publicity gimmick to create a buzz about their new song Khyal Rakhiya Kar, singer Neha Kakkar and her husband Rohanpreet Singh have been sharing lots of BTS videos and pictures from the making of the song.
Kick मारा.
In a clip shared by Neha, she is enjoying pani puris in the middle of the shoot and pauses to jokingly tell Rohanpreet, "Baby ne kick mara."
Kick मारा.
Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh always manage to grab attention with their public displays of affection and tricks to seek media attention. In fact, लोगों को तो ये भी लगा था that their roka was actually part of a publicity plan to promote their song Nehu Davya, which rather conveniently released just before their actual wedding. शादी के outfits हो या उनका honeymoon suite, Neha and Rohanpreet are social media's current favorites and seems that they are quite enjoying all the attention. The couple who married almost 2 months ago have been in the limelight for their lavish wedding functions and equally dreamy honeymoon. Now back in Mumbai, the couple seems to have resumed work and released their next song together. The song sung by Neha features Rohanpreet again as both her husband and son. The melodious track, which sees a tragic loss and a cute mother and son bond as well, has been trending in the top spot on a video streaming platform. Rohanpreet had shared a behind-the-scenes video of the couple posing for what ended up being the much-discussed picture of the two holding Neha's fake baby bump. Sharing the picture and the news that they were in top spot, Rohanpreet wrote, "Trending #1, thank you," and added lots of emojis. Now Neha has shared a behind-the-scenes video where she is holding her fake baby bump and tacking into pani puris. At one point in the video, she turns to Rohanpreet and jokingly says, "Kick mara," before having a good laugh at her pregnant look and giving the pani puris a big thumbs up.
Kick मारा.
Oh my God.
As usual, Rohan commented on the clip and wrote, "अभी बताता हूँ इसे, मेरे बाबू को किक मार रहा है." Neha has also shared other behind-the-scenes videos where she is in her second look of the song with specs and grey hair. It seems like Neha and Rohanpreet made most of their time together while shooting this song and are seen enjoying some PDA on a hammock. Looks like the couple have another winner on hand, and in an industry crowded with talent and social media stars, Neha and Rohanpreet have managed to achieve lots of popularity in a really short time.
कबरी पे नेहा दीदी ने खाया पानी पूरी. I'm very happy for you, Rohan bhai.
Kick मारा.
That brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chhetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow. But you guys stay home, stay safe.